Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you a little something I'm working on, the 500 SL Mercedes, and it was misfiring. I got it misfiring, and then it would warm up and dry fine, and I just found out now as I'm going through the plugs. Look at the difference on the plugs. Look at the difference of the shaft here for the plug. So that's why it was misfiring, and then it would drive a little better once it warmed up and got the spark. So make sure you check your plugs, people, with the misfiring. You know, I got wires are all pretty much new, and I had no idea what was going on, so I went in to do some plugs for the 500 SL, and this is what happened. Check your plugs for misfiring. Like and subscribe. Follow for more.